So I bought two small external hard drives, portable hard drives at 4 terabyte each to use with my new FreeNAS. I have installed FreeNAS on one of my old laptops. I will use that as a NAS now, a file server, a media server and so on. So I will use these as two drives in a pool in FreeNAS, one mirroring the other for my media. So this is an unboxing of these two, and I will also install this later on in FreeNAS, but that will be in a later video. So unbox these two now. Here you can see Seagate Expansion Plus 4 terabyte. This was very cheap to buy now at the moment, that's why I bought these. And these doesn't need any external power, so only the power from the USB plug. So that's why I bought these, so I can connect these to my laptop very easy. As you can see there, very easy to connect these. So let's open the box. Here we have the first drive. Let's do the same with the other. That will be the one of these will mirror the content on the first one as a backup completely automatically with FreeNAS. Yes, I know that you shouldn't use NAS as a backup, but I think if you choose the mirror option, I think it's quite good backup, automated backup. Here we have some documentation. Terrible packaging as usual when it comes to these kind of things. Really terrible packaging. But here we have the drive itself, and here we have a USB cable. It's a special USB cable that only works with this drive, as you can see. So that's also a bit bad, I think. And the same with the other drive. We have terrible packaging, and we have the drive and a USB cable. The USB cable, and here we have the drive itself, very small and compact, quite light too. Plastic, of course, Seagate logo. And here we have the port for this special Seagate cable. I will connect these two to a USB hub on the laptop, so I can extend the FreeNAS pool with more drives later on. Of course in pairs, but I will do that later on. So that was a very short unboxing of these two drives for my FreeNAS. And the FreeNAS I will use together with Samsung DeX and my iPhones to use media from the FreeNAS to these two phones. I use phones as my main computers. Actually, I don't have a computer anymore. I have only my FreeNAS as a server. And then I have the Samsung DeX as my desktop computer, and the iPhone for all the other stuff. Video editing, for example. Okay, bye.